sitting at this table for one, reflecting on the days in the mud. Tipped the weight with love. I set the fee, they couldn't pay me enough. Steady speed with my patience and trust. Feel the race from the sun cutting through cumulus.
What's up, guys? It's currently 1 a.m. over here. I just finished work and I'm trying to do some quick packing, as you can see, because tomorrow I'm leaving to Erbil, which is a city 3 hours away from here. I'll be staying there for 4 nights. I'll be picking up 2 friends of mine which are also arriving from the Netherlands. They both have never been to Erbil before, so I'll be showing them around, and since you're here, I'll be showing you around as well. So stick around and good night until tomorrow.
Morning to seal my pipe. $100 on top. I'm gonna shine, homie, till my heart stop. Envy me.
That's a good one, Pete.
Alright guys, so we basically arrived in Erbil and we went straight to work. It's 11 p.m. right now. We're heading home because we have to go to bed basically. Dropping someone early to the airport. After that I'm going to be picking up my homies which are arriving at the same airport, thank you. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow because this day has officially ended.
Quiet nights of quiet stars, quiet chords from my guitar, floating on the silence that's around.
Alright guys, we're heading home right now and like I said, it's almost midnight. We actually arrived pretty tired, I would say. It was a 3-hour trip, and the thing is, once you do those trips and you work abroad and you're an online entrepreneur and so on, sometimes when you're traveling you get tired, and it's very easy to say like, alright, not today, I traveled today, I'm tired, whatever you create for yourself to not work. You really have to kind of shut that part of the brain off and just do the work, even if you're tired, because I mean you chose the traveling lifestyle, so therefore you can't complain when you're tired and you're traveling at the same time, because the work continues, the work piles up while you're not doing anything, while you're traveling, whatever. Discipline, guys, discipline. It's something you don't get taught in school, unfortunately. In school they tell you it's about the effort that you put in, but it's never about the effort, it's about the result. If you tell a client, yo, I worked 100 hours on this project and I got you this result, or I worked 2 hours on this project and it got you this result, the client eventually only gives a shit about the results it got them, and not how many effort you put in. It doesn't matter if it's 100 hours or 10 hours or 2 hours. If he didn't get a return from it, your effort was kind of useless.
This power bank is a beast, bro.
How many milliamperes it is?
I fucking don't know.
I'm in Bottega Veneta, waffling a stitch on a sweater, parakeet green on a letter.
Good morning, guys. We are heading to a restaurant to get some late breakfast / lunch in, and then after that we're gonna head to a cafe, put in some hours of work as well. And tonight we are heading to the nightlife of Erbil. Let's see what that one has to offer.
I don't be rocking the butters. If you see me booted, it's Mason Margiela.
Alright, the food is in. Now we get that afternoon dip, especially with this heat, so it's time to get some coffee. Iced coffee is what I'm craving right now.
Even the camera is not recording because of the heat, man.
Bro, I swear to God, it's so hot. Like literally, like it's burning my hands. Now I wish I had a Tesla, bro. Hey Allah, Habibi, don't come to Erbil in the summer.
Came with umbrella, they tryna rain on my parade from the cellar. Only do beef from the farmer and here got dispatch it. I got no vendettas. I'm doing numbers like stars at the mechanic.
I'm telling you, bro, people, they don't know how to use their brains. Like they have this supercomputer that they're not leveraging. It's even more powerful than AI. All you have to do is ask the brain questions and it will search for those answers for you. Whatever those questions are, man. And it's just people don't ask the questions, or they only ask it once. They don't know the answer and that's it, they stop. Like, you know, for example, if you're starting a business, the question would be, you know, how can I make this business work? What can I improve? What are the next steps? If you keep asking that every freaking day, there is no way you would fail. Like eventually your brain will give you the answer. It's just the brain works in a mysterious way, I guess, because your unconscious mind will start looking for that answer that you're looking for. It's like looking for a car, bro. If I ask you today, how many, I don't know, red cars did you see today? You probably can't count any, but if I ask you like to start counting them, then obviously at the end of the day, how many cars you saw that were red? Because you were actually actively searching for it, or your brain was actively searching for it. It's the second time I'm on this airport today. This time we're picking up the homies, so I haven't seen them in 1.5 years. Excited to see them hang around, man. Let's see where we're going tonight. We could be eating right now. What up? Fuck up, bro. Fuck up. dacht bijna dat jullie onder de vliegveld zaten. Rustig bro. Rustig bro. Wat dan met jou? Zo, waarom duurt het zo lang, ouwe?
Jay, I got it. 4 stacks for the heels, I'm a bitch.
Is the sun.
Selling like 10 keys. Tell a plug that I'm looking for an increase.
Good morning, new day. So yesterday after we picked up the guys, we went straight to a restaurant. We had some good food, live music and everything. It turned out to be later than we thought. We came home around 3 to 4. We went straight to bed, obviously. We woke up and now we're heading to a cafe. We're gonna put in some hours. Everyone has some work to do. After that, we might go to the bazaar. By the way, mind you, we're in the second biggest city of Iraq. So the bazaar is crazy. If we go there, you're gonna see some crazy stuff. So stick around.
Let's go!
Touch that 5 for you. I ain't do that 3 more times again. I testify for you.
Yo, let's do this shit, bro. Let's do this shit.
We made it in city center of Erbil. This place is really old, dates back 2,300 years BC. And yeah, as you can see, the culture is still rich here. The Western world hasn't actually touched it. And yeah, that right there is the citadel, which is also really, really old. And I mean, yeah, see for yourself, have a look around with us and see where we go.
Jay, I got it. 4 stacks for the heels, I'm a bitch feet. Car seat still smelling like 10 keys. Tell a plug that I'm looking for an increase. Wingstop, fat boy, need a 10-piece. Say a nigga name in the car star. Nigga switching lane to lane like Walmart. Sipping Bordeaux, out in Bordeaux. Has the lights flashing on the Bordeaux. Switch the Benzo for the Enzo.
What do you think of Erbil so far?
Bro, it feels like coming home. I'm from Iran, as you know, and last time I went to Iran was 15 years ago. For me, this is pretty nostalgic, being here, but also the whole setting. Yeah. We have been talking about this for 1.5 years, man. Yeah. We made so many plans, and finally we're here. We're enjoying the moment.
Don't you notice, like in 2024, there's still like cities like this in the world, like not monetized, like no Western.
I know.
Like no Western touch on it, you know what
I
I'm
think
saying?
like as a human being, when you travel and you see all around places in the world, you realize that there are so many different realities and perspectives, and everything still goes in cohesion together. But I think it's very important as an entrepreneur or as a human just to see and explore and absorb all the different things, because this will help you. And you know that, bro, because you have been yourself so many places.
Yeah, bro. The thing is with travel, it gives you this, I would say, reality check. Because sometimes
Perspective.
Yeah, perspective
Yeah.
as well. Like sometimes you're in a spot, and if you've been there for too long, you kind of think like, oh, this is it. This is how everything functions in the world.
Yeah.
But the moment you get out of there, and
Yeah.
especially like when you go far away, like to places where,
Exactly. Out of your comfort zone, basically.
yeah, and
Yeah.
not that touristy as well.
Yeah.
You'll see other people live their lives on all these different
You get
ways.
confronted with different realities, and this will also shape your own reality, because it's true what you say. Like, let's say 80% of the population of the world, or maybe 90, doesn't even get the chance to leave their own city. So if you cannot do that, it becomes really hard to get an international view on things and have an international approach on whatever you want to do in life. So yeah, happy to be here. Happy to be here with you.
brother.
We made it work. And yeah, let's see what these days bring, man.
Like we always do at this time. I go for mine. I get to shine. And throw your hands up in the sky. Go for
مالا خوشكي فاخر هريري من وسط علي جون سيناء إلا خدمتنا إذا درم خلطي بياكين إنزاي النصر نيو برش مقالي نيو برش تا رنجي أقور دليا توزي
Hey, hey, hey. Welcome to the good life. With the COD, won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life. Let's go on a living spree. They say the best things in life are free. The good life.
He's nervous as fuck. Show the nervousness.
2 years of not posting anything.
Oh, I got it. How long?
2 years.
Okay, so guys, just for context,
2 years.
He hasn't posted anything for 2 years because he was rebranding his, I would say, artist. Hit. So now is the first time in 2 years that he's gonna post something, and guess who's gonna do it? Ready? There we go. This is what tension looks like, guys.
after 2 years not posting
Yeah.
and preparing for this moment. This is what it feels like.
What's happening today?
Man, a lot is happening today. So I just launched his new chapter of his life, and he's gonna launch my new chapter of my life, basically. So I'm excited as well. You can do the final.
I can do the final.
You can the
It's
final.
an honor to me.
Yes,
It's an
brother.
honor to me.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Honors to you. There we go.
And then we go to
save,
save.
which is in Dutch. There we go, man.
All to a new chapter, guys.
All to a new chapter, brother. All right, so take a look at this. This guy hasn't been posting for 2 years, right? He posts one thing, like 1 hour ago. He has 421 likes and over 9,000 views, okay? Me, I've been trying to post all my fucking life for years. I'm posting my video right here. I get 4 views. 4 views.
Togo is saying this right, but we need to understand it took me 15 years to get to a point to be silent for 2 years and do one post and have this engagement. So yeah, it's not like been an easy task.
Today, when we woke up, we went straight to work, and right now it's already evening. We're gonna get some good food in, then later on go to a cafe/bar to have some drinks, since this is our last night. And tomorrow we're heading back to Slimani, back to the grind, back to my own desktop and my cave. Yeah, see you guys there, I guess. It's time to leave Erbil. We rented this Airbnb, and the way you pay here is just with trust. So you leave the money, buy the TV, you just get out. That's it.